Hey everyone, Judd Burdon here from Asphalt Kingdom. Man, it is an honor, a privilege, and such a wonderful opportunity to be here with you today, man, at the National Pavement Expo here in Nashville, Tennessee, 2020. This is the man, the main man, Dom Manzo, owns local Sealcoating. He's been through a journey, and I know it hasn't been easy all the way through. But you know, when is life truly easy at the end of the day? You end up with your adversity, your challenges, your struggle, and you'll ultimately surround yourself with great people. You put yourself in touch with things that allow you to feel pure in your soul, and you become a warrior that's unstoppable. And brother, when I'm looking at you in the eyes right now, forget about that camera right now. When I look you in the eyes, bro, I'm so freaking proud of you, dude. And I want you to know that, dude. Like,
I appreciate that.
I've been following you on social media. We've been keeping in touch,
yep,
and
absolutely.
I feel this brotherhood that we have. You know, there's a lot of people coming together.
It's special.
It's special, and I want you to.
So special.
Can you tell people about your journey, man? Like, what got you involved with Sealcoating?
I mean, it was a funny journey. I wanted to be a fireman my whole life. I chased the dream to be a New York City firefighter. That's where I grew up, you know, and hit bumps in the road, just little things that just kept stopping me, and I couldn't figure out why. I couldn't find my path in life, you know. So my last opportunity I had was a job working for the town that I lived in. My father got it from before he passed away, you know, and pave crew picked me up right away, and I just started paving. I just fell in love with paving.
Not Sealcoating,
not
paving.
Sealcoating, paving. And then after about 8 years learning the trade, I said, you know, I want to start my own company. I want to try this. Let me try it. You know, people are like, you're good at it. Try it. Let's just try it. I said, all right, how am I going to start a paving company? I don't have the money, the capital to start a paving company right now.
You knew how to do it, though.
I knew how to pave, but I didn't have money to get the equipment. I didn't have a crew. So I'm like, well, how can I start this? I said,
how much money did you have at that time, bro? Like
$200.
$200.
$200. I said, you know what? Let me start Sealcoating. How do I seal coat? I don't even know where to start. So here I am. I'm on the internet Googling YouTube, Sealcoating, how to seal coat. I'm just finding guys, and I came across your video on your AK-55 system with your boots on, you're spraying, and I'm like, I can do that. It's so simple. So there I go. Jump on Asphalt Kingdom's website, gets a bunch of equipment together. I think I mustered up like $2,500 because the great equipment, so affordable.
So you got started for like $2,500.
$2,500. I got AK-55, 4 drums, basic setup.
Got going.
And I said, you know what? Let's do this. Because I wanted to. I could have went to one of the hardware stores and I could have got buckets and squeegee, but I wanted to look professional. I wanted to give that professional appearance. So I said, you know, let me just take it a little step higher at the beginning and let me see what my resources are. So I came to Asphalt Kingdom, and that's what you guys offered, the ultimate startup package. And I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to invest the little bit of money that I have into my dream.
Into your dream.
Into my dream. And shipment came, trying to figure it all out. And yeah. I remember spraying my first driveway the first day. No clue what I was doing. But
cleaning the driveway.
Cleaning it, just from cleaning it to sealing it, and the equipment that you guys provided me made it easier. Made it, you know.
Videos helped you?
Videos helped. So you had tutorials at the time.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So I went to all your tutorials, looked at everything, just got the technique just from watching. Never did it.
Right.
And just applied everything I learned from what you taught me. And
you started.
And I swear to God, dude, not even a month into it, my wife's like, let's go to the Expo. I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing because my wife, I always wanted to go to Nashville. Let's go to the Expo.
This is last year.
This is 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
So this is 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
So,
okay.
And then I came here and I was nervous. I was telling you on the way in. I'm like, I got to the doors. I'm like, I was about to go in, and I faced that adversity.
Right
here, right below us. Going through that glass door. Opportunities on the other side. I was the scaredest I've ever been in my life. And I almost left. And my wife's like, get in there right now. Just get visible. Get in front of people. Got in there, walked around.
Bro.
I was like, I just got to go see Judd. Let me get in front of him, shake his hand, get out of here. I'll accomplish my mission for the day.
Yeah.
And I did it. You know?
I remember.
2 seconds.
I remember,
bye, love
man.
you, hug.
Yeah.
Friendship at first sight. And I mean, he's been like a big brother to me ever since.
Bro.
And it's absolutely amazing. And now, a year later, I have a full-fledged asphalt maintenance company. I'm paving, Sealcoating. We're going commercial this year. We're already booked 2 months into our season.
You're full service asphalt
full
maintenance
service.
company.
I quit my job.
You're not a firefighter.
Well, it takes extreme sacrifice to chase your dreams, right? So I left it all.
It takes what?
Extreme sacrifice.
To chase.
Extreme sacrifice to chase your dreams. So I gave up everything. my dream to be a fireman. I did it for over 10 years. My job, union, benefits, everything. And my wife was on board, my friends and my family, amazing support structure. And 4 months into it, boom. And here I am, you know.
You know, this is exactly why we do what we do.
It works.
Because when you literally are in a position to be able to set a dream in your mind, and you have the framework and you have the surrounding, you have the people, you have the ambition and the drive and the determination and dedication, and you're able to identify what your blueprint is of your past that brings fear today, and then allows you to strive forward towards your goals and truly be successful. I want you to know, man, you're not standing downstairs in front of that door right now afraid to come in here. You're standing on the second floor up here telling people that they can accomplish their dreams too, man.
It's possible. It's possible.
You're wearing your company all over you right now. You have a beautiful, beautiful hat.
Thank you.
You've got a beautiful jacket, you know, and you've got your logo that you wear with pride.
Absolutely.
And that came with blood, sweat, tears, and an enormous amount of happiness and rewards, right? Like,
it's scary, man.
Dude, I want you to like just check this out, you know, like look here, dude.
Amazing.
Look at what you're involved with. This industry, you're in a multi-trillion-dollar industry right now. You're scratching a pimple with your nail right now, my man.
It's crazy.
And I believe so much in you.
Thank you.
And the people that you bring in with you. And keep surrounding yourself with that energy, bro. And I know you're going to do incredible things. You already are doing incredible things.
Appreciate that.
And I want the utmost success for you in life, bro. Well, I really do, man.
I appreciate you sharing my journey with me, man. You know, it's awesome. I'm so blessed to have you in my life. And everyone you open the doors to, and Nasty Good's amazing, and it's awesome. It's like dream to reality like that. And it would have never happened if I didn't walk through that door.
Bro, man.
It was like right there. I was going to leave or go. And I was like, just went.
I couldn't do what I do either without you, man.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that, man. It's pretty special.
More people need to know that they don't need to feel alone out there, man.
It's a lonely place when you're starting, you know, and it's, you know, it's everyone's faced with that fear. That fear is, it's a tough pill to swallow, you know. And I'll tell you right now, swallow it, move forward, and push to your dreams, because it pays off. Like mine's paying off right now, and it's amazing. And I never ever thought in a year, from last time I met you to now, that I'd be where I'm at, and it's incredible. Now I come here, now I know half the place. I'm doing interviews.
All the people.
I'm getting gear. Yeah. I'm hugging and kissing everybody. It's a family.
Yes.
And if I didn't take that leap, if I didn't do it, this wouldn't be possible. So it's amazing, and it's possible. So just push and chase, and you know, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get this.
If people wanted to reach out to you about local seal coating and ask any questions, like if they were in a place of fear or needed just a quick piece of advice, would you be willing to share that? Yeah,
so, you know, people do it already, and it's, you know, it's very humbling. You know, I have guys that are especially through social media, and here's my cell phone number. Call me, text me, whatever you need, because if it wasn't for the people that helped me out, I wouldn't be where I'm at. And it's even more empowering that now I can help others out. It's awesome. It's no better feeling in the world, and it gives you momentum, and just got to keep that momentum going. And just surround yourself with the right people. It's so important. You know, you preach it, and it couldn't be true. You have to surround yourself with the right people, and if you surround yourself with the right people and you can work hard, it's gonna happen. And it does.
So I know your wife is pregnant right now, right?
Yep.
Congratulations, man. So happy. Yep. And you have two others?
I have two right now, boy, girl.
Boy, girl.
One on the way, we don't know. We're gonna keep it like that.
I want to do something for you, man.
Okay.
I want to do something for you. When the newborn comes, and is it a boy or girl?
We're gonna wait.
Not sure.
See. We're just gonna wait till it pops out.
A beautiful Manzo. A beautiful Manzo. When that beautiful Manzo comes, and she's old enough to fly, I want to treat all of you, all five of you,
that's nice.
All five of you to come down to Anguilla and hang out, man. Because that's my give back to you for everything that you've done right here to share with hundreds and if not thousands of people that should be able to actually accomplish their dreams. So I want you to know that's coming to you.
That's amazing.
All right?
Thank you.
So that's my give back to you, bro.
So cool,
and I appreciate
you so much.
Much love and respect to you, bro. Love you too, man.
Thank you so much.